Hello, it's Eric here, and I'm sitting in the park eating a sandwich. And so now I think it's time that I gave you the final installment, the fifth example of the recursive hack. Yeah, this is the last example in this particular genre. And then after that, I'm going to go into the series of the Stoic philosophy. Yeah. Okay, so this particular example is very similar to the time travel paradox. And then the time travel paradox has many variations, and then this particular variation is actually my favorite because it creates a kind of a conundrum. And then so the conundrum is like this. Okay, so suppose you invented a time travel machine, so that would allow you to go back in time to do the things that you may not have done. Yeah. So let's say, for example, you are very fond of playing the lottery, but unfortunately you bought a ticket. Lottery ticket, and the lottery ticket had the numbers that don't match the lottery jackpot numbers, so therefore you didn't win the lottery, and so therefore you decided to go back in time, just for example a week ago, and you decided to buy the lottery ticket with the same matching numbers, yeah, so that you can come back to the present, and then you'll find that your ticket will be voila, with the same exact matching numbers, so that you can win the jackpot, yeah. And then, but the conundrum is like this: if you win the lottery with the exact same matching numbers, then that doesn't create any incentive for you to go back in time to buy the exact lottery ticket with the exact same matching numbers, And so therefore, you wouldn't have won the lottery, if there's no incentive for you to go back in time to buy the same lottery ticket, yeah. And so therefore, you didn't win the lottery. But if you didn't win the lottery, that means that there is an incentive for you to go back in time to buy the lottery ticket with the exact same matching numbers, yeah. And so therefore, you come back to the present, and then you find that your lottery ticket is voila, matching the jackpot numbers, yeah. But then once again, because you won the lottery, so that creates no incentive for you to go back in time to buy the exact same lottery ticket, and so therefore, you wouldn't have come back to the present with the winning ticket. So therefore, you didn't win the lottery. And so therefore, to cut a long story short, so if you didn't win the lottery and you go back in time to buy the exact same ticket, and you come back and you win the lottery. But if you win the lottery, you wouldn't have gone back in time to buy the lottery ticket to come back to the present to claim the lottery jackpot. Yeah. So therefore, it goes on and on and on like this. If you didn't win, then you go back and you come back to win. But if you win, then you didn't go back, and so therefore you wouldn't have come back to win the lottery. Yeah. So both situations are possible. Either you win or you didn't win. I should say you won or you didn't win. And so therefore that creates a kind of conundrum. And this kind of recursive hack is once again is a very popular technique in storytelling. And I'm sure there are thousands and thousands of examples like this. In this particular genre, but I have to stop it. I have to stop the series here because I have to move on to the next series, which is one of my favorite topics in philosophy, which is Stoicism. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.